In this video, we will learn how to pronounce this word correctly. There are two ways to pronounce this word, depending on context and usage in a sentence. Let's learn what these are. The first pronunciation of this word is live, live, live. This word is pronounced live when used as an adjective in a sentence. There are a couple of meanings. The first meaning is happening now, being broadcast in real time. An example is the match is live on TV. The second meaning is performed in front of an audience. An example is she sang live on stage. The third meaning is carrying electricity. An example is don't touch the live wire. Let's learn the second pronunciation. The second pronunciation is live, live, live. This word is pronounced live when it is used as a verb in a sentence. There are a couple of meanings. The first meaning is to have your home somewhere. An example is I live in England. The second meaning is to be alive. An example is some turtles live for over 100 years. The third meaning is to enjoy or experience life in a particular way. An example is he wants to live a peaceful life. Now you know how to pronounce this word in both ways. As an adjective, it's pronounced live, and as a verb, it's pronounced live.